Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW 3 Series Saloon versus Touring. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which model best suits your lifestyle. The Saloon, with its traditional sedan shape, emphasizes sporty elegance and a dynamic driving experience. In contrast, the Touring or wagon prioritizes practicality and space, making it ideal for families or those needing extra storage. Let's dive into the specifics of each. When it comes to driving, both the Saloon and Touring deliver that signature BMW feel. The Saloon often provides a marginally sportier and more direct driving sensation, thanks to its slightly lower center of gravity and reduced weight. However, the Touring is remarkably composed, offering a smooth and engaging ride that belies its practical nature. You'll find precise steering and responsive acceleration across both variants. Practicality is where the Touring truly shines. While the Saloon offers a respectable trunk capacity of about 480 liters, the Touring provides significantly more versatile space. Its rear hatch opens to a cargo area of around 500 liters, which expands to an impressive 1,510 liters with the rear seats folded down. This makes the Touring far more accommodating for luggage, sports gear, or even pets. Ultimately, your choice between the Saloon and Touring often comes down to personal preference and lifestyle needs. The Saloon embodies classic BMW sportiness and elegance, perfect for those who value traditional sedan styling. The Touring, on the other hand, combines that same driving pleasure with unmatched versatility and a distinctive, practical design. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals. Whichever you choose, you're getting a premium driving machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.